There's no better way to commence this particular part of the celebration than to introduce one of our dear collaborators, Tiana, and the wonderful Kayla, and this marvelous group of dancers. Please enjoy the film.
Enjoy the show and enjoy the movie.
Roll. Let's go, fire!
Every once in a while in Hollywood, we make a film that is more than a film. It's more than a movie, and I think you could feel it already tonight with our culture and with what we have represented, but also not only our Polynesian culture, and you see the love and the passion and the mana here tonight under the stars, but it's also a shared culture around the world. So I'm so happy and grateful that all of you are here tonight. I've invited so many of you. Thank you so much for coming tonight, by the way. It means so much. I'm so happy that you guys are able to share this film for the first time ever. We're showing the film. So excited for you to see the movie.